Hi, this is Lauren Cheek from Lornicopia, and I'm going to make a Capri salad for you. Which you eat these out of restaurants and stuff, but you know, this is really how easy it is to make, and this is going by chicken and dumplings. So, get some basil out of your yard, out of your herb garden, out of your store. You want mozzarella cheese, and you want it to be the soft mozzarella, and you want a big beefsteak tomato. So, first, I'm going to take the leaves, because this is going to be our garnish, and this really brightens the flavor of the tomato. It works well with balsamic. So I take about 4 large leaves, chop off the ends, stick this back in there. Shut up, cat. My cat's crying for attention. For attention. All right, take these together like this, lay one on top of the other. Like that. All right. I'm going to roll them lengthwise. This is what we want. This is what little strings to go on top. Chop, chop, chop. And these are going to unroll, and they're going to be very pretty at the end. And I'm not doing them super long. I'm going to lay that aside on the edge of the plate. Take your tomato. Take the top out, because we don't want to eat that. This might have to be chopped out of there. Yeah, okay, gone. Chop them in pretty good slices. Presentation is very important. Taste is very important. There you go. And I'm going to lay these aside on a plate. Really have to clean in between. I just want a nice clean cut of this mozzarella, which I'm going to save the rest for another day. Pop this out, and I got 5 slices. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's already cut. I did not know this. I was going to cut it for you. But anyway, so this one came cut up, but you would slice it about that thin. Now what we're going to do, set that up to the edge. I'm going to eat this because it just keeps falling on me. Turn the plate. Lay this flat side down. 1 piece of cheese in between. Another tomato. Another piece of cheese in between. Another tomato. Another piece of cheese in between. This is going to look amazing. Another tomato. Another piece of cheese in between. And then you take this little shreddy part and just kind of where you can get a little bit in every bite. It looks very pretty. And then I've got some olive oil. We're going to drizzle that on top of it. Got some balsamic, but you can use balsamic reduction. It's sweeter, or you can make a balsamic reduction just by boiling it at a very low temperature on the stove for a few minutes. Anyway, this is going to be a fantastic precursor to my chicken and dumplings. And it was that quick and that easy. Here you go. Take a good look at it. Capri salad.